Good afternoon, my name is Peter Laskus. I'm the National Sales Manager here at Test Products International. And I wanted to show you some of our 700 series combustion analyzer kits. This particular kit is the 709A740C1. What's unique about this is it's got the 709 combustion analyzer, which will measure pressure for you, your A740 infrared printer, so you can download the results wirelessly to the printer and print them out. And it also comes with what we call the A773 sulfur filter. And the A773 basically goes in line with your flue gas probe and is connected between the water trap and the gun style probe up at the top here. And what that does is takes out all the gunk out of, if you're doing oil work, takes out all the sulfurs and oxides out of the flue gases and gives you a more accurate reading. So if you're working on an oil-fired equipment, it's necessary to have an A773 oil sulfur filter to filter out all that sulfur so that you can get an accurate combustion reading. So if you need that, then ideally the kit will be the 709A740C1.